Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope the messages have kept you encouraged, motivated, and inspired to continue on your very own journey. Today's message is 10 things you need to stop focusing on to be a happier you. Please stay tuned. Sometimes we place the world on our shoulders, and instead of making the world a better place, all we end up doing is creating more stress for ourselves. There was a time when I thought my happiness was dependent on someone else. As a result, it made me feel sad, frustrated, and angry. I finally realized that my happiness was dependent on me accepting who I was and loving me unconditionally. Here are a few things I discovered that I needed to let go in order to be happier. The first one is what others thought of me. Create your own music and dance to the beat that you have created. Leave what others think about you outside the ballroom and never let it in. They will judge you, but why should you care? Only you define yourself. So, guess what? Let them be amused if that is what it takes for them to be happy. When we care too much about what others think about us, we live a life for them instead of living for ourselves. Stop neglecting yourself and your needs. One of the biggest things I was guilty of doing was ignoring myself and my needs in order to please others. I was so busy ignoring the person looking back at me in the mirror, and I didn't even realize it. I would always make sure that everyone had what they needed and was okay, and was neglecting me. I needed to find a balance. It happened slowly, or should I say, it is still happening. It's a work in progress. I wasn't confident about how to do it, but guess what? It gets better each day. Stop making your happiness dependent on other persons. Your happiness should not be dependent on something or someone in your life. We should always try to be self-sufficient. A miserable relationship will not help your mental state. If you are unsatisfied with your outward appearance, with yourself, with your personality, or anything else, a relationship will not make you happier. I repeat, a relationship will not make you happier. In order to share love, stability, and patience with someone else, you should first learn how to create it for yourself. Once you're at peace with yourself, everything else will fall in place. Stop holding on to the past. I repeat, stop holding on to the past. You cannot start your new chapter if you're still busy rereading the old chapter. Let that chapter go. Bye, old chapter. Hello, new chapter. Stop doubting yourself. Stop doubting yourself. We're all unique and special, but many of us don't believe in it. We hold on to uncertainty, doubt, and fear that continues to crush us. Just remember, you're special, love yourself, and remove your dreams from the bin in which you had placed it. Even in your darkest moments, you are still able to win. Never give up. Stop rushing into relationships for the wrong reasons. It is better to be alone than to be in the wrong company. There is no need to be hurrying along in the wrong direction. If something amazing is supposed to happen, it will happen at the right time, with the right person, and in the best of circumstances. Step into love when you feel ready, not because you are lonely. Stop entering relationships for the wrong reasons. Stop holding on to grudges. Let go of that bitter feeling that you're holding on to in your heart for someone else. If not, you will eventually hurt yourself more than the other person. Forgive them. Forgiveness means I'm saying to you, I will no longer allow you to disrupt my peace. Forgive them, forgive yourself, and then move on. Stop explaining. I repeat, stop explaining. Your friends won't need an explanation, and your enemies won't believe you anyway. So guess what? Do whatever feels right to you. I repeat, do whatever feels right to you. Stop trying to be someone else. In a world where it's very easy to lose your individuality and become a carbon copy of someone else, stay true to you. There will always be someone more prettier than you, smarter than you, talented than you, younger than you, but guess what? There can only be one you. So stay true to you. Erase the thought of I will be happy when we believe that we can only be happy when something happens, we're only putting our lives on hold for a moment that may or may not happen. Be in this present moment and care less about what might or might not come or happen. Remember, happiness is not a destination. It is a matter of enjoying the journey. We all worry and create unhappy moments and memories for ourselves. I hope you will remember to use these tips that I've shared with you in order to be a happier you. We are now at the end of the video, and I do hope you found these tips useful in being a happier you. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, and leaving a comment. Remember, if you are new over here, hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you will be notified when we post a video. Thank you so much for watching. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Stay blessed, be blessed, and be encouraged on your journey.